Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. In this video, we're going to be checking out / reviewing this Flint Match lighter keychain. This is my second time recording this video, so if you're seeing this, that means that I remembered to press the record button. Anyway, so let's open this thing up. So as you can see, this thing is shaped kind of like a bomb. Pretty cool. It has some weight to it. So the way it works is that you unscrew this bottom part right here. It looks used because yeah, I did use it before. Like I said, this is my second time recording this video. So the little piece of metal alongside with this other section, you strike it, it creates a spark and it lights up. But what they don't tell you is that you actually need fluid for this, some type of lighter fluid. So this bottom part unscrews. You take out this little piece of cloth, you drench it in lighter fluid, you put it back, screw the top back on. I guess you could also put the lighter fluid from the top up here, and then you're set to go.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And it doesn't work. This thing does not work at all. Not only that, but it's kind of advertised like as if you just need this one little thing. No, you actually need lighter fluid. And I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to be thinking about lighter fluid getting on my pants, because this thing, I mean, it does have a little bit of a seal to it, this little black part here. But to me, honestly, I wouldn't feel comfortable. Not only that, but it just does not light. It just makes sparks. I tried 2 different types of lighter fluid, assuming that it was a lighter fluid, but no, it just does not light. I even tried to burn it with my blowtorch. This thing does not last for a long time. It caught on fire and that was pretty much it. You can't even refill this little cloth piece. So once you burn it up for good. And then it just becomes a keychain. And yeah, this thing, I would not recommend getting it. It's just not worth the, I don't know how much it was. I think it was like $10, $11 for this thing. I would not recommend getting it. A regular lighter like at Walmart or somewhere else is like $1 or $2. I guess you're paying for the shape of it. It looks cool and it's kind of hefty, but it doesn't really work. So I guess I'm out $10. Yeah, I don't know if this video, like I said, would be considered a bonus video or a different type of video. But anyways, here are the shout outs for the previous video of the people who commented. So these shout outs go to Fishstone, whose favorite animal is an otter. Jack the Pro, whose favorite animal is a red panda. Parker Wilson, who said his favorite animal is a dog. I love dogs. Jester1642, my favorite animal is a lion. And Kika and Teddy, whose favorite animal is a giraffe. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I make new videos every week. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.